Bonjour, and welcome to an Introduction to Ojibwe-Moan, Episode 3. Thank you for coming back. Last time, we went over some basic greetings. Today, we'll be talking about some basic introductions. This will involve both how to request the information and provide it. At the end, I will provide a couple examples. If you'd like to know someone's name, you could ask, Anin Ejinakazoyan? To either answer this question or simply provide this information, you give your name followed by Indigenakaz. Since we've already gone over Anin in a previous lesson, let's break apart both the second words in these sentences. Je, ne, ka, zo, yun, Ejinakazoyan, A more direct translation of this question is, how are you called? In the second sentence, we use the word Indigenakaz. In, de, je, ne, kaz, Indigenakaz, I'm sure you've noticed the similarities and differences between these two words. I will explain further about the conjugations at a later date. For now, let's just focus on asking and providing introductory information. The next piece of information to provide is where you are from. To inquire where someone is from, you could ask, Andi Wainjabayan? On, de, ande, Wayne, Jit, ba, yun, Wainjabayan, Andi Wainjabayan, Andi Wainjabayan. When answering this question, or providing this information unsolicited, until you learn how to call the place you're from in Ojibwe, it will be okay to use English. In the examples I provide at the end, I will use both ways. Again, at the start we will provide the name of the location, followed by Indunjaba. Indunjaba. I am from there. In Dune J Ba Indunjaba. If you feel like you're struggling with these words, it's alright. Just keep slowly practicing until you are comfortable connecting all the sounds. If you feel yourself getting frustrated working on these sentences, close your eyes and take a couple deep, slow breaths. If this isn't enough to calm your mind, take a break for a few minutes and come back to it. You will be able to learn much more efficiently if you are relaxed and comfortable. The next information to provide is your clan. To request this information, you could ask, Awain and Gidu Dam? This translates to, who is your clan? We Nain Awainain Ge Do Dame Gidu Dam Awainain Gidu Dam Awainain Gidu Dam Awainain Gidu Dam. If you know your clan, start by stating the name of your clan, followed by Indu Dam, in do dam Indu Dam However, if you are not familiar with your clan, you could indicate this by saying, Gawin Indu Dam Ingikanamasi. I don't know my clan. Ga Ween Gawin in do dam Indu Dam in Gi K na, na, ma, ma, si, ingikenamasi, gawin, indudam, ingikenamasi. Gawin indudam ingikenamasi. Gawin indudam ingikenamasi. Here's my example introduction using a combination of English and Ojibwe. Daniel Indigenakaz. Bear Indudam. Red Lake Indunjaba. And now, here's my introduction using only Ojibwe. Neogabo Gnu Indigenakaz. Makwa Indudam. Miskwa Gamiwi Zaga Igunning Indunjaba. Great job today, everyone. Here's what we covered today. Anin Asianakazayan, Indigenakaz, Andi Wanjabayan, Indunjaba, Awanan Gidudam, Indudam, Gawin Indudam Ingikenamasi. Thanks again for joining me here today. Next time on Ojibwe Basics, I plan on talking a little bit about nouns. Until then, remember, do your best, don't stress, and above all, have fun. Ahaw, Gigawabamin.